Hi crafters, today I wanted to show you how simple it is to make a cute little doily bag. You'll need some fabric doilies, some ribbon, a safety pin, and some snips. First of all, put the safety pin through the end of the ribbon. Then decide what holes you'd like to use and pass the safety pin in and out until you meet back up with the other side. And then pull tight and tie with a bow. You can experiment with different doilies and threading techniques to make little pouches to hold gifts or trinkets. The good thing is the doilies can also be reused afterwards. Thanks for watching and press subscribe for other cool ideas still to come. Happy crafting everyone!